Modak is Bhagwan Ganesha's favorite sweet and made in many Hindu homes during the day of Ganesh Chaturthi festival. The most popular variety of modak that is made is ukadiche modak or steamed modak, which is from the Maharashtrian cuisine. In this video, I am sharing 3 ways of making modak recipe with the mold and without the mold. Modak are steamed dumplings with an outer rice flour dough and a coconut jaggery stuffing. These sweet dumplings are also known as ukadiche modak in Maharashtra in Marathi language. Namaskara friends, how are you all? I am Sanvi Sachin. Welcome to our channel, The Borkas. For the ukadiche modak, the coconut jaggery stuffing and rice dough are made initially. So now I am going to make coconut jaggery stuffing first. So here I have taken 2 cups full of fresh grated coconut and 1 cup full of organic jaggery or gur, or I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee, and here in this small bowl I have taken pinch of elaichi powder and jaifal powder, and here dry ginger powder also I have taken. It will give very good taste to the jaggery and coconut stuffing. Here I have taken a small amount of means 1 tablespoonful of khaskhas or poppy seeds. Let's start the recipe. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let it melt. Here I am going to mix jaggery and coconut together. It's done. Now I am going to add this mixture to a pan and sort it well. Let's melt the jaggery completely, and this mixture should be little bit harder. Now it's done. Now finally I am going to add poppy seeds to this mixture and mix it well. Now I am going to switch off the gas flame. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the mixture is cooled completely. Now I am adding these powders, that elaichi, jaifal and dry ginger powder, because after cooling only we have to add this powder. Now once I am going to mix it well and keep it aside and let this mixture for cooling. Keep a pan for heating. Then here I have taken 1 cup of rice flour and 1 cup of water, 1:1 proportion here. And I have taken here 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, and here 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's start. In a pan, add 1 cup of water. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of salt and again 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let this mixture to boil. Now add 1 spoonful of ghee. Now add 1 cup of rice flour, that is around 150 grams, and stir it well. Stir till all the rice flour is mixed with the water. Now switch off the flame and cover the pan with a lid for 4 to 5 minutes. Now take all the dough in a plate or thali or in a bowl. Gather the dough together and begin to knead it. The dough will be hot when you begin to knead. So spread some water on your palm and knead the dough. Knead the dough very well. Knead a smooth and soft dough without any lumps. Make 2 portions of the dough. Keep one in a small bowl and cover it with a lid so that it will be smooth, it will not harden easily. Now I will show you first trick of making modak without the mold. Take one big ball of the dough, add or sprinkle some rice flour over the ball. Now flatten it with your fingers or on your palm to a round disc or a shallow ball shape to a medium thickness. You can keep the edges slightly thin and the center can be thick. Now place few tablespoons of prepared stuffing in the center. Press the edges as shown. You can also press the edges first and then place the stuffing also. It's also okay. Bring together all the edges and join them. Remove the extra portion of the dough from the top, if any shape, and taper the top of the modak with your fingers. Now the beautiful modak is ready. Trick 2. Here I am using modak mold to prepare modak very easily. Grease the modak mold with a bit of ghee or oil. Now close the or lock the mold. Put the dough ball inside the mold and press it so that a space is made in the center. The rice dough will form a layer touching the walls of the mold. Now place the sweet stuffing inside. Cover the bottom with a small piece of dough. Press and smoothen it, sealing the modak. Now open or unlock the modak mold. Remove the modak gently from the mold. Shape all modakas in this way with the mold. Now the trick 3. Take one small ball of rice dough. Dip this in a rice flour and make small puri shape or flatten it. Now place the sweet stuffing in the center and make a small ball shape. Now you can give that modak shape by using a spoon edge. So it looks like modak kali. Now the modak is ready. It's very easy method. See, these are the 3 ways of modakas I have made now. Now we are going to steam these modakas. Steam modakas, I am using idli cooker here. This idli cooker plate contains big holes so that modak may crack. So I am using one plate over to this plate and I am placing some turmeric leaves on it. Turmeric leaves will give very good fragrance to the modaka and the taste also very good. Now I am keeping all the modakas one by one. Keep some distance between 2 modakas so that they will cook very nicely without any crack or they will not stick one another. Now I am putting some kesar or saffron over the modakas. It will give a nice color and aroma to the modakas. Now close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we have to check the modakas. Modakas should not feel sticky to touch when it cooked properly or perfectly. If they look or feel sticky, then steam them for a few minutes more. Now Bhagwan Ganesha's favorite Ganesh Chaturthi special modakas are ready to serve. Friends, if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.